the next questions, we're actually looking at two binomials being multiplied by each other. And this is kind of a very important problem for a lot of math. And one of the most common techniques for solving this is what's called FOIL. And that stands for first, outer, inner, and last. And that's just really kind of a guide to help you remember that in this question there's 4 different multiplications that you need to consider. You need to consider the first, which is x times x, and that will get you x squared. There's the O, or the outside, and that is x times 3, and that will get you plus 3x. There's the inside, which is 6 times x, and that will get you 6x. And then there's the last, which is 6 times 3, and that will get you plus 18. And then if you combine the middle terms, it's going to be x squared plus 9x plus 18. And that would be your final answer. So on number 8, we have to do the same thing. It's first, outside, inside, and last. And when I was taught this, I was always shown that this looks like a person with a cool hat. But that's just what my teacher taught me, so I always kind of remember that it looks like a face. But if that creeps you out, then you don't need to write that. So again, it's just the first, the outside, the inner, and then the last. So that's going to be a negative 14x squared for the first. The outside ones are going to be minus 21x. The inside is going to be minus 2x. And the last is going to be minus 3. So that's negative 14x squared minus 23x minus 3 when you combine the like terms. Okay, lastly, for 9, I want to do first, so that is 15x squared. Then the outside 3x times minus y. I can't really, I'm going to combine them, but I can't really combine them too much. It's just going to be minus 3xy. I can't say like an xy squared or something like that. It's just x times the y. The inside, 1 times 5x, that is going to be 5x. And then the last is going to be 1 times negative y. And 1 times negative y is just going to be minus y. So this would be our answer, actually, because we cannot combine it. So in all the other ones, our middle two terms were like terms, but these would both have to have an xy in order for you to combine them. So this is actually our final answer here.